Hi guys, my name is Stratos. In this video we're going to see how we can create a multi-language website. So we have here an Astra template. This is a breezy page builder, and I have created this by using the Astra theme and the Astra starter sites. This is a 5-page website, and we're going to translate it, and we're going to see how we can do this using a free plugin named Polylang. Now Polylang can translate the whole website, not automatically. I will manually insert the translated text, and it does not support in the free version the WooCommerce or ACF or something like that. If you want WooCommerce, you must buy the Polylang for WooCommerce. If you want the business pack, you must buy this one. But I wouldn't recommend it to buy the Polylang if you want WooCommerce and to have a multi-language website. I will recommend the WPML, which is cheaper, $79 for 1 year, and this is for 3 websites. And Polylang, if you see here, this is for one site, it's 99 euros, and it's again for 1 year. Okay, this is the pro version against the WooCommerce, Polylang for WooCommerce. So if you want to have a WooCommerce multi-language, I would suggest buy the WPML, which it is also very good, but doesn't have a free version. So we're going to use the free version now because it's a simply website. Okay, first we're going to start with putting it into Gmetrics and see how does the plugin affects the website speed. Okay, and let's go here. Let's go to plugins, and I will add new, and I will start with the Polylang. Okay, just type Polylang and install now. Let's see now. We have 59 requests and 729 kilobytes the page size. I don't care about the load time at this moment. This will vary every time I do the test. So let's go back to our plugins and activate the plugin. I will get now here a new field called languages, and I will go here to start, and let's start by choosing the language. Now first you must choose the language that the current WordPress installation is in. So let's see the pages, and let's go this home page. As you can see, the whole site is in English, so you will start with the English language. The reason we do this is because it will automatically assign all the pages and the posts in the language that we add in the first place. So this is the default. Okay, English, local English, right to left, the US flag, and add a new language. Once I hit this, I will get a node up here that says there are post page and categories without any language. And if I will just go here to show you what I mean, I will open all the pages. And as you can see here, we have a flag, but the pages are not assigned here. So let's go back to our settings and click. You can set them all to the default language. So they will be all selected, and now we have 7 posts under the English language. If we go back to our pages, we'll refresh it and we'll see that this will be ticked under the US flag. Okay, now let's go and add the second language. Second language, it will be Greek for me, Greek flag, and here I will put the order 1. This number is going to show the order of the flag, so 0 is displayed first, then 1, then 2, etc. If you have more than 2 languages, you can add them as you wish and just select the order. Okay, let's go to the next, string translations. Now this will show me all the translation that I can do inside my widgets, inside my settings, and all the others theme and plugins fields that the Polylang plugin can fetch me. So this site title is inside the settings, and if I go general, I will find here the site title here and the tagline. This will be displayed here. If you see the front page, up here you can see the test and just another WordPress site. I want to change it for my language, so I will go here and under Greek I will put the Greek word for test, and I will put here test again. Okay, now this is the date format, the time format. This comes all from the widget area. If we go here to the front page again and we'll scroll down under widgets, we'll see here important links, useful links, get in touch. So back here, important links, useful links, get in touch. So this will translate the widget area. And you should see more here if you had any other widgets or any sidebar or any other text here. Okay, let's continue. You can change these up as you want, and we're going to the settings now. So in the settings we will find the URL modification. You don't have to mess any of this, but let's see what it says. URL modification, this is how the URL will be displayed. At this moment it will display EN for English before the name of the post, and this is what I want. If you wouldn't like not to show anything, you can check this, but it's not recommended, because if you do this then you have two pages with the same URL. Two pages is the the two languages of a single page. So the Google bots will crawl your website, and it will find two pages with the same URL, and this is bad for SEO. The next, this is for having the EN in front of the domain name. I don't want that either. This is better, because you don't want to mess with the domain name. Okay, if you change the language, if you delete it, then you will mess with this. You don't want to mess with the domain name. This is bad for SEO as well, to changing all the time. Okay, hide URL language information for the default languages. I don't want to show the EN if the visitor sees the English version of the website. Only when it is in GR he will see the GR here. I don't want to see the word language, and I don't want here to see home. Okay, so basically don't change any of these. Okay, next, detect browser language. This is activate here. If my visitor comes and he's from Greece, so he has a Greek language, a Greek browser, he will see automatically the Greek version of the website. Okay, if you want to deactivate, just click here. If you deactivate, you can just activate again by clicking activate, of course. Media. Now here is this setting will allow you to set alternative text, alternative caption, each for every language that you have. Now it's double the work, and to remember that if you set here activated like it is from the default, if you go to the Greek language and you try to find a media that you have uploaded in English, you will not find it. Okay, remember it. If this is the case, then go here and just deactivate it, or else you will have to go to the media and one by one translate all the text, so it will fetch all the media from the English version. I hope I didn't mess it up and confuse you more. Okay, synchronization. This is for the posts basically, and it says that it can synchronize the taxonomies, and I want that. Custom fields, I don't have custom fields. Publish date, sticky post I don't have. Feature images, I want it. Page template, page order, page template I will leave it. Page order I don't care. Page parent, and post format. Okay, save changes. This will synchronization the post settings across all the languages that you have. Okay, WPM compatibility, it supports WPML, and the tools here under settings, it says that if you want to remove, you can also delete all the plugin, all the settings that you have and all the data. Okay, I don't care about this. So let's go to the last one that says Lingotech. Now, this is for you to create another website. Sorry, this is for you to automatically translate your website, and it supports access-free. Says that it will automatically translate up to 100,000 characters. Now, for me, I will not suggest that. I don't think that it will work. If it does a translation, it will not do a good, decent translation. It will have errors grammatically, verbally. I don't know how good it will be displayed. I don't use it. Basically, I won't recommend it for anyone. Okay, so something that I forgot to say is before you start translating or do anything like that, please back up your website. Everything that you do, keep a backup always. Okay, so let's continue. We're going to our pages now, and all pages, and we're going to see now that we have the pages here and we have two flags here. Okay, so start with the home page. We're going to click here the plus icon. By clicking here and not creating with the add new, will automatically assign that this is the page that we want, that will be the translation of the home page in Greek language. So let's here put the Greek word for home, and if you can see here, this is checked already by default, full width, no sidebar. This all was automatically fetched by the English version of the page. I will hit publish twice after the title. This is created with Breezy, and I will continue edit with Breezy. Once you hit continue edit with Breezy, all the layout, the setting, the text, the images will be fetched by the original English page. You only have to translate the text and not start assigning it again with the same design. As you can see, all the design is here. So I can now go here and just translate the text. I will just put here some Greek words. Okay, I will not do very much work here, just do this, and I can now go back. Okay, saved and return. Okay, so let's go here all the pages again, and here you will see my front page for the Greek. Okay, you see here that is checked. Okay, so we're going to translate 2 pages, and you will see that after that you can translate every page that you have. We're going to translate the about page. So let's go here and just check this about. Again, it will bring all the settings for us. We're just going to put the title. And hit publish twice. And continue edit with Breezy. Now, I have tested out with Elementor. I have tested out with the Divi Builder. I have tested out with the Oxygen Base Builder, and it works. It doesn't work with Beaver Builder, and it doesn't work with Gutenberg. I hope in the future they will add those. I don't know why it doesn't work with Beaver Builder, but Gutenberg is still new, and I hope they will add it. And when I say it doesn't work, I mean that it doesn't automatically fetch all the content. Okay, you have to manually add all the content, all the design and the pictures. So here I will say again the Greek word for about us, and I will save it. And then we're going to go back, and next step is create the menu. Okay, let's go back, let's go to menus, and we'll see that we have the menu. Here's the menu. Okay, not this one is a menu. Okay, so this is my menu. If it's not selected, you must select primary menu English. Okay, and click Save. So once you've done that, you want to add the language switcher to the menu. If you don't find it here, you can always check here Screen Options and check this box that says Language Switcher. Once you check this, the language switcher will appear. Okay, I will check here and add the menu. So once add, let's change some settings. If you hit it here, the two flags with the word English and Greek will display as a drop-down list. I don't want this. I don't want to display the language name. I just want to display the flag. Forces link to the front pages. When you are in the About page in the English version and you hit the Greek flag, it will go automatically to the front page of the Greek site. I don't want that. And I want to hide the current language. Okay. And this is hide language without translation. You can understand what it says. Okay, save menu. And now I will create another menu for the Greek. So I will put here menu -gr, sorry, not Greek, menu -gr, create menu. Remember now that you have to assign it to the Greek, primary menu in Greek, the second language, and add the language switcher and of course the pages that we created. Okay, let's fix the order and let's go and keep the same settings. Okay, so let's see how the website is right now. Let's go at the front page, okay, the start page, and let's refresh it. And as you can see here, it says here it has the Greek flag, and I can just press here and I will get the Greek version of the website. Okay, and again click here and get back to an English version. Okay, we'll continue now. Next step, we're going to our widgets. Now if you have any widgets, you will see that now you have a setting for the language. So this is the main sidebar and it has a search widget. If I extend here, it says title, and if you had put here the search title or something for the widget search, you can assign it to the English version and add a second widget, a second search widget to assign it for the Greek. Okay, so here it doesn't have anything that I want, but if I wanted recent comments and the title was comments, I will assign it to the Greek version, sorry, for the English version, save it, and then go here, search for recent comments again, add it to the main sidebar, bring it beneath it, and title, I will put the Greek word for comments, and select the Greek flag and save it. So that is easy, as you can see, and you can continue from there. Okay, let's go to our posts. All posts, leave page, of course, I didn't save it, this flag. Okay, so we have, at this point we have two, as I can see, I will just delete this. Okay, I have only one post. The first thing I want to do is translate the categories. Let's go to categories, and we have news here, and I want to translate it. Okay, I have done it before, so I will just delete it and show you how to do it. Okay, let's go to news, inside news, and here that it says translation, I will put here the word nea. Okay, and update. So I have now the Greek category for news. Okay, let's go back, categories, and I didn't save it, I think. Okay, let's go here back, sorry. Okay, new category, and this is the translation for this one. So let's go back to our posts. Now I will show you here at media that I have some images here. Okay, and I will go to our post and see how the post is. Okay, this is the post. So if you go here and click the plus icon under the flag with the same way that the page was translated, you will translate the post. Now remember, it does not work with Gutenberg, so the post was made with Gutenberg and I have no content inside here. So I will have manually to add all the text. So I will add a title, again test. I will just put here the categories that this is the Greek, okay, news, and I will try to add an image. Media library, and as you can see, I haven't got any images here. If you remember, I said that you can't have any images if you don't disable the media translation. This expects you to go to the library and go to each and every one of the images that you have and go inside here and say this is the language English, and if I want a Greek language I will just have to select this. Sorry, not this. I will just put all of those in. Okay, here, and if I want this image I will have to go here, click the plus icon and just type the title and every other alternative text and other word that I have updated, and now I will see this image in my Greek version of the website. Okay, if you didn't want to do that, you must just go to languages, settings, and under the media deactivated this. Okay, let's go to a new post and let's see. I will just have to refresh it, refresh the page, and I will now see that I have all the media library images. Media library, and all the images are here. So I think that was the end. Let's do again a GTmetrix to compare. Okay, let's see how the polylang affects our website. Okay, let's see again the front page. Okay, we said how we can translate the pages, we say how to translate posts, widgets, and the menu bar. I think that's all. And we're going to compare it with the 559 request and the 729 kilobytes of the total page size. Okay, so as you can see, the same request and the same page size. Okay, so it does not affect your website pretty much at all, and it's a very good plugin for the free version and what it does. Please back up your website before you start, so if anything goes wrong you can just recreate the web page as it was, the website. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like something, please write it in the comments and help me improve myself. Sorry for any mistakes that I did. English is not my first language. I'm from Greece again. And thanks for watching. Bye guys.